For Mi 11, we have a new resolution. This resolution is called WQHD+, which stands for Wide Quad High Definition. WQHD+, simply put, is nearly double the resolution of the typical smartphone display. It is packed with pixels, featuring 515 pixels per inch, making it one of the most detailed displays in the entire world. In practice, this is going to massively increase the individual detail of everything you see, from apps to images. To make the most of this, we've added super resolution. This is upscaling technology which can up to triple the resolution of videos you see, including those found on YouTube, Netflix, and more. It does this by analyzing and extrapolating video data in real time at the pixel level. With high refresh rates of 120 Hz, paired with an AMOLED panel, this is one of our best displays ever. Not only did we use a higher refresh rate than competitors, we've used a 4-stage adaptive sync. This gives us a variety of refresh rates that automatically adjusts the content, saving battery while offering the best possible image quality. At an amazing 480 Hz, Mi 11 offers the highest touch sampling in the market. For those of you who didn't know, touch sampling is how often Mi 11 detects your touch per second. To give a point of reference, the world's best-selling tablet, the iPad, offers a touch refresh rate of up to 240. And professional drawing pads used by designers typically cap out at 200. What this means for you is that on Mi 11, your strokes and touches are going to be extremely accurately detected. WQHD+, 120 Hz AMOLED, and 480 Hz touch sampling make a great display. But we wanted to make sure that this display was of cinematic quality. So we had to take it even further. First, we used a cutting-edge E4 AMOLED. This AMOLED offers incredible specs with 20% higher peak brightness and a 5 million to 1 contrast ratio versus 2 million to 1 for the iPhone 12 Pro. And to make sure you can view the HDR10+ videos you shoot, Mi 11 offers you HDR10+ display as well. We've also tuned our hardware to offer 10-bit color, which features more than 1 billion colors. Mi 11 offers 64 times more color than competing and previous generation smartphones. Here, you can clearly see a difference in how it processes gradient colors, with Mi 11 offering a very smooth, real gradient. To give you an idea of how this compares, Mi 11 offers a delta E and JNCD of 0.41 and 0.38 respectively, much more than the 1.34 JNCD found in the iPhone 12 Pro. Bringing all these together, I can confidently say that Mi 11 is setting a new cinematic standard. Mi 11 has been awarded a huge honor by one of the industry's very best display certification organizations, DisplayMate. DisplayMate has offered Mi 11 the Best Smartphone Display Award. This is a massive achievement and the culmination of many years of R&D investment. Beyond winning the Best Display Award, we also set new records for display performance across 13 categories. These categories include measurements of image shift to peak luminance and cover top-level details like peak brightness, color accuracy, and visible resolution. Display quality has been a core area of focus for us, and we are very happy to bring these to you in Mi 11 Movie Magic. And that standard is far and beyond those offered by other phones in the industry. Here, we put it next to the iPhone 12 Pro so you can compare.